Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Emporium in Treasure Quest. First, you need to understand that the Emporium is a unique shop offering very rare items. To begin, you must unlock the Ancients Awakening questline. This crucial quest becomes available once your character reaches a certain experience level, typically around level 75. Completing this initial step is essential for progressing towards the Emporium. After unlocking the quest, your next step is to diligently complete all its stages. This involves navigating various challenges and defeating several minibosses. The ultimate goal of this questline is to confront and defeat the formidable Ancient Guardian, the final boss. Upon its defeat, ensure you collect the Emporium key fragment, which is a guaranteed drop. This fragment is vital for the next phase of unlocking the Emporium. One key fragment isn't enough. You actually need 3 Emporium key fragments to craft the full key. This means you'll need to repeat the Ancients Awakening quest and defeat the Ancient Guardian 2 more times. Once you have all 3 fragments, head to the Grand Crafter NPC located in the main hub area. The Grand Crafter will then combine your fragments into the complete Emporium key, granting you access. With the Emporium key in hand, your final step is to locate the hidden entrance. The Emporium is discreetly tucked away within the ancient ruins zone, so explore thoroughly. Once found, simply use your crafted Emporium key to unlock the door and step inside. Congratulations, you now have access to the exclusive Emporium, filled with rare and powerful items. Also, for those looking to improve their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.